All this time you've seen how to use task steps where you can either complete the task or reject the task. But let's say you want the user to make a selection, and based on their selection, you want to go down a certain path. So in that case, we provide a choice task step. So let's go ahead and create an example on that. So let's go to workflow definitions. Okay. Choice task example. Let's say you want to route a task to a user and have them pick a color. So first go to the toolbox and select choice, and you will see the choice task. And let's go ahead and connect the choice task. So let's give the name select a color. And let's give the task description also select color. And we're gonna select users to route to. Let's pick admin user. And save that. And we're gonna configure the return values that we want the user to select from. So let's put red, green, and blue. Save that, and save the step, and we're done. That's it. Let's say based on the selection, we want to go down a certain path. So let's go ahead and use a decision step as a placeholder. I'm going to put the 1 equal 1. Save that. And let's duplicate this step a couple of times. And let's connect these steps. And let's say if the user selects red to go down this path, if the user selects green to go down this path, and if the user selects blue to go down this path. And let's save that. And that's it. Save the definition. Now let's go ahead and create an instance and execute it. We can close this workflow definition now. If I look at my workflow instance, there should be one that's sleeping, is waiting on the select color task. Let's go to my tasks. And you can see it says select a color. That's one of my tasks. You can see that I have options to select red, green, or blue. So let's go ahead and pick blue and say complete the task. And if I look at my workflow instances, you can see that it has finished. And if I render it, you can see that based on my selection, it went down this blue path. So you can route a task with any custom return values that you want to provide. It might be a yes, no question. It might be, let's say, a risk rating, high, low, or medium. You might say select a color, or any option that you want to give the user to select from. You can use a choice task.